Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? Just wanted to show y'all this quick tutorial real quick, just to show you how I do my designs once again. Now if we were to highlight this entire design here, this True Love design, up here in the corner it says it's 11.526 inches in width and 14.068 inches in height. Right? Now, sure enough, what I could have done, let me put it on the second page here, I could have made it just under 11.5 inches. So I could have grabbed everything, drug it in just a little bit, and made it 11.497 inches. After I did that, I could basically change all the stones to 11.35, well, 0.135, which is perfect for rhinestones, right? But it's 11.526 nonetheless, to say the least. That's a little bit too big for Cricut and a little bit too big for Silhouette. It has to be 11.5, right? Well, if you were pressing this with your heat press, basically, if you did this image first, which is actually 11.448, which fits under 11.45, right? 11.5, right? If you were to press this image first, then press this image on top of it, as you can see, now it fits. See that? Let's drop this down just a little bit. Now it fits, ladies and gentlemen. Now, after you press this down, then press this down, then you can add your stones. Easy peasy. George and Wheezy. So, you can cut this image out separately. This red here. Look at that. It's 11.438 by 14.068. So, sure enough, the entire image put together exceeds 11.5. But once it's separated, and you press this image, then you press this image, that's 11.438, and this one is 11.448. So each one is under 11.5 inches to work with your Cricut and your Silhouette. So sometimes, most of the time, don't let the design scare you. If you were to highlight the entire design and be like, oh, that's too big, because essentially it's not, if you look at it a different way, you know. This is Xcellent Dreamz signing out. Wanted to make this video nice and short for y'all today, and I'm out. Also, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also, remember to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video or even go live. Also, if you check out my Etsy shop, I have most of the designs that you see on my YouTube channel. I've uploaded them to my Etsy shop to share with you all. So, once again, Xcellent Dreamz signing out. And I'm out.